Hello, this is my first ever video and I'm going to put it up here for YouTube for owners and users of Lagostina saucepans. I bought these at Canadian Tire in 2014, so they're 2 years old. And as you can see, I'll zoom in and there's the serial number. If you own these or you bought them recently, you should be aware of the danger that these pots, again made by Lagostina, the danger that they have. These should be recalled because, as you're going to see, I cut my finger badly on it and it required a trip to the hospital. Now let me turn this puppy over. What you see there, maybe a better angle is here where we'll get some light into it, are stress marks. Let me pull out, see if we can do this a little better. It's obvious that when these pots were formed, either the steel was too thin or they put too much pressure. Now let me turn that around. Let me zoom in on that. Let's see if we can get a little bit of light. See that crack? When you run a cloth or your fingers near it, and it's getting worse, by the way. See what it looks like from the outside. Not a very good example. Movie camera would be better. Anyway, here's the stress points. You can clearly see here where the rivet is that there's a stress point and a sharp edge forming, and it's getting bigger. We go around to the other side and there's another stress point. You see it right there? Let's zoom in on that puppy and see. But this is the major one right here. Halfway between the two stress points, it's getting worse and worse and worse. And that's what I ripped my finger open on. So my message to anybody is that if you have that number, and let me zoom in on it again made by Lagostina and sold by Canadian Tire in the Peterborough store or anywhere else, you need to contact Consumer and Commercial Relations Ontario, because this model, this particular pot, the other ones are fine, they came with the set, but you need to have these reported and recalled. Okay, so Lagostina, I hope you're paying attention, because like when I cut my finger so badly that I have to go to the hospital and get that sorted out, you have a defective product that you put on the market. See that? There's a good example right there. See that split? That's a jagged edge of steel. And don't forget, you're cleaning a dirty pot and you could get viruses and bacteria in there. So there we go. That's a Lagostina. There's another one where the stress marks are. Again, boom, right there. It's a terrible thing and they're getting worse. Okay, thank you. My name's Steve Chapman. And as you can see, there's a good shot of how out around it's getting, where the lid doesn't fit anymore. Thank you very much. And call Lagostina or Consumer and Commercial Relations Ontario. Good day.